First things first, get a 10mm and we'll disconnect the battery. Another one snaps. Goes on the mount. Nice and slow. Morning guys, welcome to Flipping Cars and Repairs. Guess what we have hidden under here? It is another engine for that beast. This 6 litre beast. It's finally getting another engine put in it because the head gasket's gone, so it's easier to do a whole engine for 260 quid delivered, or take this engine out, which is obviously by the time I've taken it out and put that one in, it's quicker for me, and then I can get it obviously shifted. Yes, that's the plan. Yeah, so obviously your head gasket was going to be about 100 odd quid. Then you've got the head bolts and everything else. And then by then you want to probably change the chain as well, because you've already taken it off and touched it all. After that, I didn't know whether the cylinder head could be even cracked, and that's why that stuff didn't work, because these are quite common that these heads can crack. So I might have a hairline crack. So if I take all that off, buy the head gasket, all the time taking it off, and then I find out that it's got a cracked cinder head, another cinder head's going to be another 100 quid if not more. So I bought the whole engine for 260 quid, rip this one out, and then put that one back in, and the plan is literally to do this in a day on my own. So this is my challenge. The time is about 11 o'clock now, and I want to get this whole engine out in a couple of hours and then put the other one in. What do you guys reckon? Do you reckon I can do this? We will see. First things first, get a 10mm and we'll disconnect the battery, and then we'll start taking all these bits and pieces off. Cat's got to come off again, which is bloody annoying because I've already put this one twice. Engine mounts are there, another one there. But anyway, I'm going to crack on now. I'll whip this bumper off. It's only held on there at the moment anyway. And I'm going to take this whole front out, and then without an engine hoist, I have got an engine hoist, but I'm going to just see if this just slides straight out to about here, and then voila. Another one snapped. Another one snapped. Miracle. One didn't snap. Right, obviously we've got to disconnect this pipe here for the coolant. Got a connector there, need to disconnect. And then I don't think, and there's one, I mean that just comes off. That's your power cable for your fan, that's nice and easy. And then this will come out. This can all need to be cleaned out. There's your pack. That's your coolant. That's going to be all flushed out. Right, let's take stuff off. First things first, guess what I've got to do? Take the bloody cat off for the 4th time. Is it 4th time? Yeah, took the old one off, put another one on, then I put this one on. So yeah, pretty much 4th time now. I'll be an expert at taking these off now, won't I? That's off. Lose that one off. Right, let's put all these somewhere safe. Let's probably buy another gasket. Right, let's take this off. That's done. Don't really need to do the tension up, I'll just literally undo that. E12. Nice new belt. I'm not all the way off. Both hub nuts. Put these fucking piece of shit off. Let me pull this off so it doesn't get in the way. I don't think the other one come with this cover. It's just like that. So I need to put that somewhere safe. Let's see if there's any more stuff that I've got to take off. It's going to be in the way. Oh, see, to get to engine mount, we need to take, yeah, you have to take this off. So. That's right down there. Like that. That's it. And you just pull that away from there, and you do that, and now I've lost it. Pull that one off. Another one that's probably going to ping off and annoy me, so now I can't find the other one. one's safe. That's all off. That's all off. Enough. Put that one out. Put that one out. That one out. So we've got disconnect that. That's it. All the electrics all off. We have got to disconnect, obviously, the throttle cable. Let me guess, it's a frickin' 12. Oh, look at that. Bloody French. To the other side. Alright, so what I'll do is take this off, take off this one under here, and then this one here, and then we'll be able to take dry shaft out. And we've got to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so the side's done. Just need to disconnect it from the gearbox. No point showing you that. You just literally just pull it out. Sometimes it does have a little bracket, but I don't think it does. So I'm going to do that now. There you go. One dry shaft out. One more to go. Right, so basically it's exactly the same as what I've done on this side to the other side. Alright, that dry shaft's out. I can't get the dry shaft out because I can't find my bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to undo this mount here. Undo that, and then undo that one up there. Undo the one over there. And then drop it out with the dry shaft on, and then I can take dry shaft off and back in a minute. So I'm doing that now. Release a couple of bolts. I'm leaving one on that side and one on that side. And then out we come. So it's engine mounts of 14. Oh,
she was literally like ice.
Silly Billy.
Oh, look, get her now done.
You're wrapped up now. Properly, yeah? That's gonna make a bit of noise, but you'll be alright, it's not noisy. There you go, all done. Daisy? It's okay. That's on there. One more, and I've got one on there. Good thing about this car's got no aircon, no nothing. So there shouldn't really be anything much attached to it now. I'm going to check a few other bits and pieces, unless I haven't missed anything, which I think I have. Is this fuel line. Brake servo. Basically every pipe you see, guys, at the back that's not attached, that's attached to the engine, take it off.
Done.
Yeah? You mean Dad? Careful, Daddy's camera. Right, Daisy. Stand back a minute, in case this goes horribly wrong. Just didn't like it. Right, here goes. All the mounts are out and it hasn't fallen out. So let's see if it goes down. Down and out. Move us back in case I do a disaster. It's basically out. I've just got to bloody go down a little bit. Connected. There's that cable there. I think I'm going to have to lift it up a little bit to get it past something. There you go. That's what I need to do. Because on the mount, nice and slow. Guys, engine's out. I have to take all the other bits off this one to put on the other one, but yeah, it's finding out no engine hoist either, so just a little baby engine.